It's not fun when we want our favorite news app, RTE News, to work smoothly, but somehow it keeps crashing or it doesn't work as expected. How do you fix RTE News app not working? Hello everyone, welcome to One to Step. In this video, I'm gonna show you few steps that you can take in order to fix RTE News app not working. So the first step will be to update the app to the latest version. To make sure that the app you are running is the latest version, you have to go to Play Store if you are on Android or App Store if you're on iPhone. Now you can search for RTE News by clicking on this search icon like so and search. Now if you select this app, instead of open or uninstall, if you have update option, you need to select it and update the app. Once you've done updating the app, you should try if the issue you were having is fixed. Now the second step that you can take is clearing the data or cache that RTE News is keeping. And you can navigate to that option by going to your RTE News app. If you long press on it, you can see this I icon, which stands for information, or alternatively, you may also have info right among these options. Select which one is available, either this I or the info bar or info section in here itself. In my case, I'm going to click here. Now, if you scroll down, you can see storage. You need to select it. Now at the bottom, I have clear data and clear cache. In your case too, find clear data and clear cache and clear the caches and data from there. Now this is the time where you should try and see if the issue you are having is fixed now. If the issue is still not fixed, you've got to uninstall the RTE News app altogether as the third option and reinstall it from the Play Store or App Store depending on your device. Following these steps should fix your problem that you are having in your RTE News app. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.